This glazed ham right here, baby, it's sweet, savory, sticky. If you want your guests to ask for a second, stay tuned because I'm about to show you guys how to make the best, the most delicious pineapple glazed ham. Let's get into it. Let's start by making the glaze. I'm using 1 stick of unsalted butter. Next, we're going in with 1 cup of brown sugar. Also, we're going in with some honey, about 1/2 cup. Pour that right in. We're gonna make a beautiful, delicious glaze, okay? Now I'm going in with 1 cup of pineapple juice. Just pour that in. Now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Add some flavor to this. I love using Dijon because it has a distinct flavor in a good way that I love. When I add it to my ham, it tastes so good. And also I have a few seasoning right here. I'll leave it below for you guys in the description box. So I have nutmeg, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika. Everything will be listed below. And also this right here is Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon. Now I'm going to add the packet my ham came with. I've never done it before, but I thought, why not? It's flavor, so we're just going to pour that in. Let me know if you guys have done that before. Just add that in. And then just mix it. I'm going to allow it to caramelize for about 5 minutes. So my glaze has been simmering for about three minutes. It's ready to go on the ham, okay? So let's get it there. It is time to bake our ham. I'm using some pineapple slices. I'm going to place them at the bottom of my baking dish. Just like this. It's gonna add so much flavor. So don't skip on the pineapple, or if you're using oranges, you can put some oranges at the bottom. Now I'm going to place my ham right on top. And I got mine from Costco, so I forgot how much I bought this. Now we're just going to add the glaze. Let's start from this side. All over the ham, just like this, y'all. This tastes absolutely delicious. It was a good idea to use the little packets. It adds some type of flavor to it, okay? Let's pour that beautiful glaze all over. And I tell you, this is gonna come out looking so mouth-watering. It's gonna be so good. Buttery, sticky, just savory, just delicious, okay? Make sure you get all of it all up in there. Time to bake it. I'm going to cover it with a foil, very loosely, not so tight. And then I'm going to bake it on 350 for about an hour. And I'm going to baste it every 20 minutes, okay? Place it in the oven. Perfect. All right, guys, our glazed pineapple ham is ready. It smells so delicious, and it's not even Thanksgiving yet, okay? It looks absolutely delicious, okay? Let's dive in. This looks absolutely juicy. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Looks absolutely juicy, Lucy, okay? Amazing. Let's give it a try. Cut the camera right now. So good. Oh my God. Hands down. Wow. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. It is absolutely delicious. You gotta have it for Thanksgiving. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. I will be posting a lot this month, so keep coming back for more recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.